Question number 107. This writer was a confessional poet. Option A. Ted Hughes. Option B. E. E. Cummings. C. Sylvia Plath. Option D. Annie Bradstreet. Answer option C. Sylvia Plath. This writer was a confessional poet. Sylvia Plath. Next question. This writer is not a Victorian novelist. Option A. George Eliot. Option B. Charles Dickens. Option C. Jane Austen. Option D. Annie Brown. Answer is option C. Jane Austen. This writer is not a Victorian novelist. Jane Austen. Next question. This writer is not a Victorian novelist. Option A. George Eliot. Option B. Charles Dickens. Option C. Jane Austen. Option D. Annie Brown. Answer option C. Jane Austen. Next question. The Charge of the Light Brigade is a work by option A. Leigh Hunt. Option D. Rupert Brooke. Option C. Alfred Lord Tennyson. Option D. Lord Byron. The Charge of the Light Brigade is a work by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Next question. The objectives of a learning program in English should emerge from option A. The needs of the learner. Option B. The curriculum prepared from time to time. Option C. The orientation given to the learners. Option D. The type of lessons included in the learning program. Answer option A. The needs of the learner. The objectives of a learning program in English should emerge from the needs of the learner. Next question. Wilsey reads a short story. Understand the sequence. Infer character traits and appreciate literary style. The type of reading involved here is a supplementary reading. Option B. Regulatory reading. Option C. Extensive reading. Option D. Intensive reading. Answer option D. Intensive reading. Wilsey reads a short story. Understand the sequence. Infer character traits and appreciate literary style. The type of reading involved here is intensive reading. Next question. Identify the language function. Stanley. Hello Summit. Is your father at home? Option A. Giving information. Option B. Asking for information. Option C. Stating preference. Option D. Requesting help. Answer option B. Asking for information. Identify the language function. Stanley. Hello Summit. Is your father at home? Asking for information. Next question. Referring to a written text and taking down important points is option A. Not taking. Option B. Retrieving. Option C. Not making. Option D. Gathering. Answer option C. Not making. Referring to a written text and taking down important points is not making. Next question. Will you meet you at 10 o'clock? This sentence conveys option A desire, option B a suggestion, option C an offer, option D a promise. Answer option D a promise. We will meet you at 10 o'clock. This sentence conveys a promise. Next question. The term objective correlative was coined by option A W.B. Yeats, option B Ezra Pound, option C Martin Esslin, option D T.S. Eliot. Answer option D T.S. Eliot. The term objective correlative was coined by T.S. Eliot. Next question. In media res means option A in the print media, option B in the electronic media, option C in the new media, option D in the middle of the action. Answer option D in the middle of the action. In media res means in the middle of the action. Next question. The communicative language teaching is based on option A. Behaviorist principles, B. Memorizing the rules of grammar, C. Grading the structures of the language, D. Cognitivist view of language learning. Answer option D. Cognitivist view of language learning. The communicative language teaching is based on cognitivist view of language learning. Next question. Inferential reading is option A. Reading between the lines, option B. Glancing rapidly through a text, option C. Generating new ideas after reading, option D. Reading widely without external help. Answer option A. Reading between the lines. Inferential reading is reading between the lines. Next question. Mrs. Malaprop is a character in option A. Pride and Prejudice, option B. The Rivals, option C. The School of Scandal, option D. The Importance of Being Earnest. Answer: The Rivals. Mrs. Malaprop is a character in The Rivals. Next question. For the students to gain mastery over English, a teacher should: option A. Constantly check the learners for all the errors they make. Option B. Emphasize learning grammar. Option C. Regularly expose the students to a variety of language input. Option D. Stop use of their vernacular. Answer option C. Regularly expose the students to a variety of language inputs. Next question. A combination of dissimilar images yoking together the most heterogeneous ideas is: option A. Metaphorical extrapolation, option B. A metaphysical conceit, option D. A metonymic trope, option D. A metamorphic interpellation. Answer option B. A metaphysical conceit. A combination of dissimilar images yoking together the most heterogeneous ideas is a metaphysical conceit. Next question. Robert Burns is the poet of option A. England, B. Scotland, option C. Ireland, option D. Wales. Answer option D. Wales. Robert Burns is the poet of Wales. Next question. Section 4 of the Wasteland is called: option A. Death by water, option B. Death by drowning, option C. Death by sea, option D. Death by sailing. Next question. My love is like a red rose is an example of option A. Simile, option B. Metaphor, option C. Transferred epithet, option D. Personification. Answer is option A. Simile. My love is like a red rose is an example of simile. Next question. A Hot Noon in Malabar is a work by option A. M.T. Vasudevan Nair, option B. S.K. Pottekkatt, option C. Joseph Mundasheri, option D. Kamaladas. Answer option D. Kamaladas. A Hot Noon in Malabar is a work by Kamaladas. Next question. The earliest of the following writers in terms of chronology is: answer Aphraben. The earliest of the following writers in terms of chronology is Aphraben. Next question. Which is not an exercise in guided composition? Answer reporting various functions. Which is not an exercise in guided composition? Answer reporting various functions. Next question. Comrade Pillai is a character in option A. The Great Indian Novel, option B. A Suitable Boy, option C. The God of Small Things, option D. Midnight's Children. Answer option C. The God of Small Things. Comrade Pillai is a character in The God of Small Things. Next question. Our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thought is a line from option A. John Keats, option B. Percy Bysshe Shelley, option C. William Wordsworth, option D. Jane Everett. Answer option B. Percy Bysshe Shelley. Our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thought is a line from Percy Bysshe Shelley. Next question. Spring rhythm was employed by option A. Thomas Mann, option B. W.B. Yeats, option C. G.M. Hopkins, option D. Charlotte Bronte. Answer option C. G.M. Hopkins. Spring rhythm was employed by G.M. Hopkins. Next question. There are more things in heaven and earth than are dreamt of in your philosophy are words spoken by option A. Hamlet, option B. King Lear, option C. Lady Macbeth, option D. Mark Antony. Answer option A. Hamlet. There are more things in heaven and earth than are dreamt of in your philosophy are words spoken by Hamlet. Next question. The input hypothesis in second language acquisition was developed by option A. C.K. Ogden, option B. A.S. Hornby, option C. Stephen Krashen, option D. James J. Asher. Answer option C. Stephen Krashen. The input hypothesis in second language acquisition was developed by Stephen Krashen. Next question. Daniel Jones compiled option A. English Pronouncing Dictionary, option B. English Dictionary of Pronunciation, option C. English Pronunciation Dictionary, option D. Dictionary of English Pronunciation. Answer option A. English Pronouncing Dictionary. Daniel Jones compiled English Pronouncing Dictionary. Next question. The literal meaning of utopia is option A. No man, option B. Nowhere, option C. No place, option D. Not true. The literal meaning of utopia is answer option C. No place. The literal meaning of utopia is no place. Next question. Lexical cohesion devices are option A. Vocabulary and structures, option B. Structures and punctuation, option C. Punctuation and auxiliaries, option D. Words or phrases used for connecting ideas. Answer option D. Words or phrases used for connecting ideas. Lexical cohesion devices are words, phrases used for connecting ideas. Next question. A well-known exponent of magic realism is option A. Graham Greene, option B. William Faulkner, option C. Anthony Trollope, option D. Salman Rushdie. Answer option D. Salman Rushdie. A well-known exponent of magic realism is Salman Rushdie. Next question. A student takes effort in learning English as she or he is sure to get a job after passing an exam. She or he has option A. Integrative motivation, option B. Instrumental motivation, option C. Linguistic competence, option D. All of the above. Answer option B. Instrumental motivation. A student takes effort in learning English as she or he is sure to get a job after passing an exam. She or he has instrumental motivation. Next question. Affixes are option A. Free morphemes, option B. Bound morphemes, option C. Half morphemes, option D. Broken morphemes. Answer option B. Bound morphemes. Affixes are bound morphemes. Next question. A room of one's own is a path-breaking work in the realm of option A. Globalism, option B. Orientalism, option C. Formalism, option D. Feminism. Answer option D. Feminism. A room of one's own is a path-breaking work in the realm of feminism. Next question. Lycidas is a option A. Dramatic monologue, option B. Comedy of manners, option C. Comedy of humors, option D. Pastoral elegy. Answer option D. Pastoral elegy. Lycidas is a pastoral elegy. Next question. A writer who didn't win the Nobel Prize for Literature. Option A. Graham Greene, option B. Gunnar Grass, option C. William Golding, option D. Seamus Heaney. Answer option A. Graham Greene. A writer who didn't win the Nobel Prize for Literature is Graham Greene. The acclaimed biography Life of Johnson was written by option A. Joseph Addison, option B. Robert Buchanan, option C. James Boswell, option D. Andrew Motion. Answer option C. James Boswell. The acclaimed biography Life of Johnson was written by James Boswell. Which of the following technique is not used for improving the spelling of students? Option A. Using substitution table, option B. Dictation, option C. Transcription, option D. Looking up the dictionary. Answer option A. Using substitution table. Which of the following technique is not used for improving the spelling of students? Using substitution table. Next question. This character is not a picturesque hero. Option A. Tom Jones, option B. Tom Sawyer, option C. Tom Tulliver, option D. Joseph Andrews. Answer option D. Tom Tulliver. This character is not a picturesque hero. Tom Tulliver. Next question. Piggy is a character in option A. Lord of the Rings, option B. Lord of the Flies, option C. Lady Chatterley's Lover, option D. Little Lord Fauntleroy. Answer option B. Lord of the Flies. Piggy is a character in Lord of the Flies. Next question. ReaderMate is an assistive device for children with option A. Vision problems, option B. Alexia, option C. Dyslexia, option D. Pure IQ. Answer option A. Vision problems. ReaderMate is an assistive device for children with vision problems. Next question. During dramatization, when a teacher uses empathy as one of the descriptors for assessing the learners, she is assessing their ability to option A. Get into the skin of the character, option B. Sympathize with the character, option C. Appreciate the character, option D. Critically analyze the character. Answer option A. Get into the skin of the character. During dramatization, when a teacher uses empathy as one of the descriptors for assessing the learners, she is assessing their ability to get into the skin of the character. Next question. Which among the following is a teacher-centered instructional approach? Option A. Language games, option B. Cooperative learning, option C. Demonstration, option D. Role play. Answer option C. Demonstration. Which among the following is a teacher-centered instructional approach? Demonstration. Last question. The subtitle of Pamela, the epistolary novel, is option A. What You Will, option B. A Pure Woman, option C. Virtue Rewarded, option D. Patience on a Monument. Answer option C. Virtue Rewarded. The subtitle of Pamela, the epistolary novel, is Virtue Rewarded.